What was that for?
For always knowing the right thing to say.
It's the truth.
Attention, everyone. I'd like to propose a toast. To my Aunt Ellen and her husband Todd on their first wedding anniversary. I drink to their health, their happiness, and to the love they so obviously share.
Where are we? Are we lost?
It's a shortcut.
Well, if it means driving through this neighborhood, I'd rather we took the long way home.
Why don't you close your eyes? We'll be home before you know it.
What's the matter?
I felt something in the steering. I'd better have a look.
Well, don't you think we should find a gas station?
At this hour? Anyway, it's probably nothing.
Todd, don't.
Relax. It'll just take a moment.
This place scares me. If I can drive at all, let's go. Was there something wrong?
No, it's all taken care of.
Detective Morgan to see you, Mr. Curtin.
Homicide.
Thank you, Lydia. Detective.
I'm very sorry about your wife, sir.
Thank you. If only I hadn't taken that turn. If only I'd been paying attention.
I know this is hard, but could you tell me again what happened? The report last night's just a little vague.
We were on the way home from our anniversary party, you know. It was our first one. It was downtown, and with all those freeways, I got confused. I started heading the wrong way. So I got off. I figured I could turn around, you know. I didn't know where the hell I was.
Streets down there are just, they're a mess.
There was this guy on the corner. Ellen made me stop to ask directions.
Can you tell me what he looked like?
I don't know, white, medium height. He looked like a regular guy. But it was dark, and it all happened so fast.
What exactly did happen, Mr. Curtin?
Ellen rolled down her window. had called the guy over. The next thing I remember, he's grabbing for her necklace, and she tried to fight him off. And he shot her. I drove off. And by the time I got to the hospital, she was, maybe I was wrong. This, really isn't a good time to talk right now.
How do we look?
Like a man and his dog.
Don't you mean a man and his very handsome dog?
Sit still.
I beg your pardon.
I mean the dog.
Oh. Sit still, Max.
You're supposed to look like the district attorney. This portrait is going to hang in City Hall, Mr. McCabe, not some English pub.
All of the great monarchs had their portraits painted with their dogs. Didn't you study Reynolds? Gainsborough?
Only under extreme duress. Besides, he keeps moving.
Be still, Max.
Oh, not bad. You must have got him on a good day.
Stay out of this, Jake. I don't care what the mayor said. No dog, no portrait.
You're gonna need more paint. Lots more paint.
Hello, Dennis.
Hi, Mr. McCabe.
You learned anything from Mr. Curtin?
Nothing that wasn't already in the report. I sent a couple of teams back to crime scene to check things out.
You know, the mayor's all over me on this one. Ellen Curtin was a major contributor to every charity in this town.
You know, I was looking at the files. You know, there's one thing that doesn't make sense to me.
What's that?
Here's a woman with $200,000 worth of sapphires around her neck, okay? She rolls a car window down to ask a complete stranger how to get back to the freeway. I mean, to me, that's crazy. You know what I'm saying?
Maybe that kind of woman, she just doesn't think about things like that.
Yeah, that could be too. Maybe. I don't know.
Alack, I'm afraid they have a weight, and 'tis not done. The attempt and not the deed confounds us. Hark. I laid their daggers ready. He could not have missed them. Had he not resembled my father as he slept, I'd have done it.
I have done the deed. Didst thou not hear a noise?
I heard the owls scream and the crickets cry. Did not you speak?
This is a sorry sight.
A foolish thought to say, a sorry sight.
There's one did laugh in sleep, and one cried murder.
It's much better, much better.
Thanks.
Meredith, really starting to bleed. Let's take 5 and we do it again. All right. Excuse me, Meredith? Meredith, Toomey?
Yes.
My name is Jake Stiles. I'm with the DA's office. This is Dennis Morgan. He's with homicide.
Right, I got the message you'd be down. Well, you guys are in luck. His nibs doesn't need me right now.
Oh, I see. By the way, is that Macbeth that you're doing?
Very good. Except actors never refer to it as Macbeth.
Why is that?
We like to call it the Scottish play. Superstition. They think it brings bad luck.
Oh,
Keep that in mind, huh?
definitely. All right.
What am I doing prattling on about Shakespeare? I've come here to talk about my Aunt Anne. Still can't believe she's gone. Poor Todd. I went by the funeral parlor this morning and he looked just awful.
What can you tell us about that?
Well, to be truthful, I was a bit suspicious when my aunt first introduced me to him.
Why is that?
Well, there's the age difference for one thing.
Right.
Not to mention the difference in their bank accounts. It was like some bad novel. But then I saw them together. Saw how much happiness he brought into her life. She really loved him, Mr. Stiles. And he loved her.
I I heard she was changing her will. Is that true?
She was planning on leaving most of her money to charity, but recently decided to let Todd be in charge of her estate.
Huh.
Why are you asking me all this? You don't think Todd had anything to do with her death. They were robbed.
That's what we heard, huh?
Don't mean to interrupt, Meredith, but we're ready when you are.
Okay. What more can I tell you?
Well, listen, I appreciate your time. Oh, by the way, if there's anything else that you can think of you'd like to talk to us about, you can reach either one of us at this number.
Thank you.
And for me personally, I thought you were very believable up here. Very believable. You're welcome. Thank you.
Hey, Arlo, I heard you called.
Last night, more than once, too. I thought this was a rush.
I'm sorry, man. It was my wife's and my anniversary, 7 years, so I canceled on that. It would have been my last.
Well, I canceled a hot date with a morgue attendant. Now, she's probably going to dump me for that geek in forensics.
Surprised like you? No way. So what do you got for me?
Have a seat. Right there, driver's side. Okay. This is where the bullet went in, right?
Right.
Take a look.
At what, Arlo?
The door frame, right here. Take a good look. Don't see anything, do you?
No, Arlo, I don't.
How about now?
What is it?
Blood. Ellen Curtin's blood. Somebody tried to wipe it off, but I got this really neat stuff called luminol. Reacts to the iron. 10, even 20 years from now, if there was blood there, you can see it.
Kidding.
I never kid.
So if her husband was sitting here when she was shot,
The blood would have had to pass right through him.
it's pretty good.
Yeah, it is. It's this thing right here. It's great.
Lydia, here's my drink. How long does it take to make a Bloody Mary, for heaven's sake? Lydia! How many times do I have to call you?
Hi, Mr. Curtin.
Detective Morgan, and who might this be?
My name's Derek Mitchell. I'm from the DA's office.
So?
I'm afraid your Bloody Mary's gonna have to wait, Mr. Curtin.
And why is that?
You're under arrest for the murder of your wife. Read him his rights.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
I already told you what happened. Just like I told the police.
Unfortunately, the story does not improve with the telling. Perhaps you could try the truth this time, huh?
You know you're making a big mistake, McCabe.
Why? Because of your money? Your influential friends? As a matter of fact, the mayor has already called me about you.
That must have been a very interesting conversation.
It was. I startled him by telling him he was not the district attorney. And then I told him that I was going to nail you to a courthouse wall.
Don't try to bully me, McCabe. I'm not some common criminal.
No. No, you're not. You're much worse than that. You killed your wife for money.
That's a lie. I loved Ellen. I would never hurt her.
You told the police that you were sitting in the driver's seat of your car when the mysterious gunman shot your wife.
Of course I was.
We found some blood on the driver's side door frame. And if you had been sitting there, the blood would have been on you, not the frame.
I only know what I know.
Perhaps then you can explain why a Mercedes just like yours was seen cruising the area where the murder took place 3 days before it happened. You had this all planned, didn't you?
Absolutely not. And there must be hundreds of cars like mine in this city.
I'm sure there are, yes. But only one is registered to the man with the motive for murdering Ellen Curtin.
People versus Todd Curtin. Case number G245103.
Franklin Patterson for the defense, Your Honor. Defendant is present and waives further reading of his rights and reading of the indictment. Pleads not guilty and requests a jury trial.
Bail, Mr. McCabe.
Your Honor, the defendant is a man of great wealth who regularly travels all over the world. He owns a home in the south of France, and we feel that there is a serious risk of flight here. The prosecution asks that bail be set in the amount of $1 million.
If I may, Your Honor, my client has lived and worked in this community since he was 20. His efforts on behalf of the poor and the homeless are a matter of record. He has never been convicted or even accused of a crime. It is true, as Mr. McCabe says, my client is a very rich man, but I don't think he should be punished for that.
Neither do I. Bail is set at $50,000. This court is in recess.
Good to see you, J.L.
Always a pleasure, sir.
Mr. Curtin's spending his wife's money well. I hear Patterson gets about $100,000 just to show up.
Yeah, well, he's worth it.
They're right here. Section 20.
Well, I just wanted to be there. Thanks for showing me the way. Sure.
Meredith, could I have a word with you, maybe?
Hey! How could you?
What are you doing?
Calm down, calm down.
Aunt Ellen loved you.
Okay.
She trusted you, and you killed her.
Counselor, get your client.
You're a little disturbed at this point.
I hate you.
Hey. Calm down.
He killed my aunt.
We'll prove that, I promise you, okay?
But he's a murderer.
Look, we will prove that, but you can't make a scene. It does not help things. Now, calm down. Calm down.
I'm sorry.
It's all right. I know you. You okay?
Yes.
All right. Come on. I'll get you a cup of coffee. I need one.
If only I had trusted my first instincts about Todd. Aunt Ellen might still be alive today.
Think you're, being a little tough on yourself?
No, I don't think so. She was everything to me, Mr. Stiles. When my parents died, it was Aunt Ellen who took me in. She treated me like her own daughter. She put me through school and encouraged me to pursue my acting career. She took care of me. I should have taken care of her. I just wish there was something I could do.
You know something? There's a lot you can do. The most important thing is try to stay calm, keep your cool, and you let McCabe do his job. That's what you can do.
I'll try.
I know you will.
How much longer is this gonna take? I got work to do.
On the Curtin case?
What do you know about that?
Oh, I hear things. Though if you ask me, the case is so highly circumstantial as to be virtually without merit.
I didn't ask you, as I recall. And anyway, what do you know about the law?
Law's my life. I would have pursued it professionally, but my family wouldn't hear of it. They wanted me to be an artist. Said it was more respectable.
Sorry to interrupt, Mr. McCabe, but we need to talk.
It's about the Curtin case. I hope you found something. You need it.
It seems our friend Victor here is something of an armchair attorney. Go on, Derek.
Yeah, don't mind me.
Unfortunately, no one's found anything. No witnesses, no more physical evidence.
Yeah, like I said, you're in trouble. You know, it sounds a lot like the People versus Dorfberg, Chicago. Prosecuting attorney
Do you
was
mind?
just trying to save the taxpayers a little money.
The taxpayers will get their money's worth, I assure you. Mr. Curtin not only has a multi-million-dollar motive, there are serious inconsistencies in his story. His car was seen cruising that area 3 nights before the murder.
Okay, you got a shot, but I still say it's a long one.
All right, that's it. That's it. Get out. You've had it. I said get out. O-U-T. Out now. You're a grade teenager. That's what you are.
At this rate, this will take longer than the Sistine Chapel.
Ah.
I don't know about you, but I need a double. Wasn't supposed to happen like this. You said we had everything covered. Damn!
What are you doing?
Think of it as a welcome home present.
No offense, darling, but being up on a murder charge doesn't exactly put me in the mood.
You've got to learn how to relax.
Relax?
Yes.
You don't know what it's been like for me the past few days.
I told you I've got everything taken care of.
How?
It's better if you don't know. You're just gonna have to trust me on this.
Why should I trust you?
Because if I don't get you acquitted, I can't get my hands on Aunt Ellen's money. And baby, just think what we can do with all that money.
Now that gets me excited.
Yeah, I thought it would.
Yes, what is it, Dennis?
Something you guys ought to hear.
No?
Meredith, you're on with Mr. McCabe now. Will you tell him what you just told me?
Mr. McCabe, Todd really did it. He killed my aunt. He took her down there and he tried to...
Calm down, Miss Toomey, please.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's quite all right. How do you know he killed her?
Because I'm at her house. And I found something.
The prosecution calls Meredith Toomey. Now, Miss Toomey, let's just talk about yesterday afternoon, okay? Will you please tell the folks what you were doing?
I was at my aunt's house picking up a few things.
And by your aunt, you mean the deceased Ellen Curtin, is that correct?
Yes, it is.
And what kind of things were you picking up at your aunt's yesterday?
Mementos. Things Ellen wanted me to have.
Objection, relevance.
Mr. McCabe?
You found something more than just a memento yesterday, didn't you, Miss Toomey?
Yes, I did. I found a necklace.
Well, I submit this as People's Exhibit number 11. A sapphire necklace taken into evidence at Ellen Curtin's home yesterday afternoon. Now, is this the necklace that your aunt, Ellen Curtin, was wearing the night of her anniversary party?
Yes, it is.
Then it is also the necklace that Todd Curtin reported stolen by the thief he said killed Ellen Curtin. Is that correct?
Yes.
And where did you find this necklace?
In a wall safe in the den of my aunt's home. She had given me the combination when I used to live with her.
Who else had the combination to that safe, Miss Toomey?
He did. Todd Curtin.
Which means that Todd Curtin was the one who put this necklace in the safe after he murdered his wife.
She's framing me.
She is. She's doing a hell of a job.
But it's all lies. I didn't steal that necklace. Someone else did.
So you said. Unfortunately, the evidence now says otherwise.
Well, the evidence is wrong. Look, I'm paying you $100,000 retainer, Patterson. You're supposed to be one of the best. Now you've got to do something, damn it.
I can assure you, Mr. Curtin, I will do everything I can. Under the circumstances, I would be less than candid if I didn't tell you that it might not be enough.
Look, I don't want excuses. I want results, and if you can't give them to me, I'll get someone else. Now you go get to work.
Excuse me, Mr. Patterson, telephone. Your office thought you would want them to connect you.
Thank you. Franklin Patterson here.
How's it going, Mr. Patterson?
I've had better days. What can I do for you?
How'd you like proof that Meredith Toomey was lying through her pretty little teeth today?
I'd like that very much.
Uh-huh. I thought you would. Listen up.
Did you bring your gun? I want you right beside me. If he tries anything, shoot him.
Stop right there. You and me, we're never gonna see each other. Who's the goon?
My driver, I hope you don't mind.
Not if you brought the money.
$250,000.
Put the briefcase on the ground. Kick it over to me.
Where's the necklace?
You first. Look familiar?
Where'd you get this?
Some guy. Doesn't matter now. What matters is you and me, we got a deal. We do have a deal, don't we?
This better be genuine.
Oh, it's the real thing, all right.
Seems Mr. Curtin and I'll just have to trust you.
Seems so. But considering that'll get him up from under a murder rap, I'd say he got off cheap. I'll see you around the bar, counselor.
Miss Toomey, you've testified that this necklace belonged to the decedent, is that correct?
Yes,
And you say you found it while you were in your late aunt's den?
that's right.
At this time, Miss Toomey, I'd like to offer into evidence Defense Exhibit J. This sapphire necklace, which, as my chauffeur will attest, I purchased yesterday from a fence. You recognize it?
It looks like my aunt's.
It is your aunt's. And this, Miss Toomey, is Mr. Harold Stern of the jewelry firm of Weber and Stern. Mr. Stern is prepared to testify that he made this necklace and sold it to Ellen Curtin. That means that the necklace you produced in this courtroom is a fake, isn't it?
Yes, it's a fake.
And you didn't find it in Ellen Curtin's wall safe, did you?
No.
Miss Toomey, I prefer to believe that you perjured yourself in this courtroom out of love for your aunt and an honest desire to see her murderer punished. You do believe that Todd Curtin killed her, don't you?
Yes.
And you wanted to see him convicted. So you decided to help because you knew Mr. McCabe's case was a little shaky at best. You had a duplicate made of this necklace, and you used it to frame Todd Curtin for murder, didn't you?
He killed my aunt.
There's no proof of that. That's why you made the whole thing up. Nothing further.
This court is adjourned until 10 a.m. tomorrow.
I hate to tell you this, Mr. McCabe, but there are people in this building betting good money. This case is history.
Why? Just because the witness that was anchoring my whole case on self-destructed?
Yeah, something like that.
I hear Patterson's moving for a dismissal. You think he'll get it?
Over my dead body. I don't care if her testimony has poisoned the jury against us. The man's guilty, and I'll be damned if I'm gonna let him walk away without a fight. Oh, incidentally, what's the morning line?
2-1 against you.
How did you wager, young man?
Well, the way I look at it, you're a veteran. You're at home, been in these pressure situations before. I look for you to squeak by an OT.
How?
Beats the hell out of me.
I guess saying I'm sorry is pointless. Am I going to jail?
Perjury is a serious offense, Miss Toomey.
I don't think I could handle prison.
You may not have to find out.
You make it sound like I have a choice.
You do. All I need from you is a little cooperation.
Well, what more is there to add except that I'm a fool for letting my hatred for Todd blur my vision and get me into this mess?
Well, for starters, you could tell me how you made the duplicate of your aunt's necklace.
Aunt Ellen had photographs taken of all her important jewelry for insurance purposes. She gave me a spare set to keep in a safe deposit box, just in case.
So you took a photograph of the sapphire necklace to a jeweler and had him make a copy, huh?
Yes. Is that cooperative enough?
It's a start.
Hey. I got the insurance photo.
Thank you.
That's Ellen Curtin's sapphire necklace.
Mm-hmm.
That picture was taken about 2 years ago. Mm-hmm. This necklace, this is the one that Meredith had made, using that necklace in the photograph as a copy.
They look the same.
Yeah, they do. But you ought to take a real close look.
All right. We've been set up, Jake.
Damn right we have.
Mr. Patterson, Detective Morgan, homicide. We need to talk.
Nothing would give me greater pleasure, Detective. Unfortunately, I'm late for court.
Mr. Patterson, just tell me where you got that second necklace and we're done.
The real necklace and how it came into my possession is privileged information.
The hell it is. Look, you can either tell me now or you can tell McCabe on the stand. It's up to you.
We met a man by a freeway. He claimed to be some kind of fence, said he was having trouble selling the necklace. He offered it to me at a fair price, and I accepted.
You get a look at him?
No. He stood in the shadows the whole time. We made the exchange, and he drove off.
Well, what kind of car?
Old, domestic, nothing I would recognize. I tried to get a look at his license plate as he drove off, but he covered it over with old tape. The only thing I could see was a tattered bumper sticker.
Bumper sticker?
Quite strange under the circumstances. It said, Rosencrantz lives.
Life's but a walking shadow, a poor player that struts and frets his hour upon the stage and then is heard no more. It is a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, signifying nothing.
Very nice, Alex.
Somewhere else. Hey, you take it here. See you later. Come on. Hey, get off my car.
Well, this is yours, huh? We need to talk.
Don't hit me in the face, man. I'm an actor. I was only doing her a favor. Some favor. Obstruction of justice. Man, Shakespeare, check off the class. Come on, get up. I say those words and I forget myself.
Shut up, man. You have the right to remain silent.
Everything you said can and will be used against you.
Your Honor, the prosecution would like to recall Meredith Toomey to the stand.
I remind you, Miss Toomey, you are still under oath. In your prior testimony, you were not truthful with this court. You will now tell the truth. Proceed, Mr. McCabe.
Miss Toomey, you testified that you had a duplicate made of your aunt's necklace because you wanted to help convict Todd Curtin of murder. Is that correct?
I'm not very proud of that fact, but yes, it's true.
Only half of it's true, I'm afraid, my dear. I believe you had the duplicate made, not because you hated the defendant, but because you and Todd Curtin are lovers. The two of you plotted the murder of your aunt from the very beginning, didn't you?
That's absurd. If I was in love with Todd, why would I go through the trouble of having the necklace made? Why would I testify against him?
Objection, Your Honor. The witness is questioning the prosecutor.
Overruled.
Oh, I don't mind, because I have the answer. You had already arranged for the real necklace's surface. You blackmailed an actor friend of yours so that he would play a fence, didn't you?
No.
He provided the defense with the real necklace so that you would be a discredited witness. You knew the prosecution's case would be tainted in the eyes of the jury. And your lover, Todd Curtin, would go free. And then the two of you would proceed to spend your aunt's fortune.
Objection, Your Honor. This is wild speculation.
I never speculate about murder.
Overruled. Proceed.
Thank you. This is the duplicate necklace you had made, and this is the real necklace, identified by the man who made it. I would like for you to examine both of them, if you will, and tell me, are they the same?
They seem to be.
They certainly do. And now you have testified that you had this duplicate necklace made from insurance photographs your aunt had taken. You said you had copies of these photographs.
Yes.
You still have them?
No. I had them destroyed after I had the necklace made.
I see. Yesterday, the insurance company finally dug up their photographs of the necklace and gave them to me. Thank you. Would you compare them, please, to the necklace you had made?
They appear to be the same.
Look more closely, particularly at the bottom of the necklace. In the photographs, there are two small additional sapphires, aren't there?
I don't see what this has to do with me.
Everything, Miss Toomey. Yesterday, when I realized that something was very wrong, I sent a team of investigators back to the crime scene, only this time they knew what they were looking for. And they found it. These sapphires in a storm drain You didn't make a copy from the insurance photographs, did you? You made it from the original necklace, which Todd Curtin, your accomplice, gave to you after he tore it from his loving wife's neck and killed her in cold blood.
No, that's a lie.
Then why is your necklace missing the additional sapphires, Miss Toomey?
At this time, Your Honor, my client would like to change his plea to guilty.
Any objections from the people?
No objections, Your Honor.
In view of the evidence and in the furtherance of justice, the change of plea is accepted. Bailiff, arrest this woman. This court is in recess.
You should confine your acting to the stage, Miss Toomey. You might get a better review. Come on in, boys. I've been waiting for this one, huh? The great unveiling, huh?
Victor finally finished it.
Yeah.
Good, now I can go to law school.
Yeah, go ahead, Derek. Let's see it. What the hell is that?
It's modern art. That's what they call it.
Yeah, it is non-traditional.
Yeah.
I think what the artist is trying to do is kind of make a Dadaist statement, you know, programmatically.
I'll tell you what it is. It's garbage.
Let's go to Max.
Victor did this to spite me. I know that. I wish he would go to law school. Then maybe I would see him in court.
No, wait a minute. You know, I'm just looking here.
What?
You know, if you get an angle on it, it's not that bad. I mean, I kind of like it.
Yeah.
If you just look at it from an angle.
The way the smoke kind of plays around your
Yeah.
face. You know?
Yeah.
So you gotta get the angle, see? I mean, it's not that bad, really.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I like it.
I think maybe I do too.
From this angle?
Yeah, from this angle, yes. But you can't look at it too long.
Too long.
Hey! Winner and still campeón, Juanito Santana! Hey, come on! I saw you win the Golden Gloves at the Olympics. You still got it, champ?
I don't know, Ernie. Either I lost it or I forgot where I put it.
No! Come on, let's hear it for it.
Here's the next welterweight champ, Chucho Chacon. Whatever I had, he's got twice over. Remember, next Wednesday night, the arena, Golden Gloves. Come and see him fight.
Wednesday night. See you, champ.
If you get the tape, will I go to Claire? For the 1,000th time, will you marry me, Claire?
For the 1,000th time, ask Lisa and see if it's okay with her.
I have 1,000 times. She always says no. Wives, how do you figure them?
Well, keep trying, Juanito. I'm worth the wait.
Chucho Chacon, Claire O'Malley Hernandez. Half Irish, half Mexican, all woman.
We know each other.
Chucho's my latest fighter.
Yeah, and I hear he's really good. I hear he almost beat one of the 16th downtown boys to death last week.
You brought it on, not me. He whistled at one of our women.
He whistled? Oh, kill him.
Chucho's leaving the West Side Fives. No more gangs. His fight is gonna be inside the ring from now on. Right? Right?
Yeah.
4 rolls of tape.
Put him on your gym account.
Try sending a bill. You always seem to forget that part. Clarita, you coming to the block party?
Maybe.
Maybe. Always maybe.
Maybe I'll come and dance you dizzy.
Is that a promise? I'll save the last dance.
It's a promise.
1001. I'm gonna go home and ask Lisa. If she says yes, I'm coming back for you.
You.
Vámonos. What I said to Claire about the West Side Fives. Was I lying to her?
You told me I could be a boxer. I could be somebody special. Will you lend to me?
Mira, stay with me. You're gonna run till you drop. Throw punches till your arms fall off. Maybe you'll make it. Maybe you won't. You got a good right hand. You got good minds. You can get your respect. Make you feel good about yourself. Hey, watch the footwork.
What can I do for you, Tito?
Well, the rosary for Juanito Santana is tonight. And out of respect for him, all shops will close at 6 o'clock. And it will stay closed until after the funeral tomorrow morning.
No. I will be open till 9 o'clock tonight, as usual. And I will be open at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, as usual. No one tells me when to close my store. No one tells me when to open it. No one has that right. Not you. No one.
You close at 6, or we'll close you.
For a toothache? The only thing we have right now is aspirin.
You got anything stronger than that?
No, I'm sorry, not right now. Right on the other side of that
okay,
aisle there.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, I'm not going to close my store early.
Come on, Claire, it's not that bad, is it? Juanito Santana was a good man. He deserves the honor.
They're boys. They're little bullies that beat you up if they don't get their own way. If you look at them funny.
Everyone else in the neighborhood is closing. They're paying their respects.
That's because they're afraid of the little Nazis. No. No.
I don't know if you're stubborn or stupid, but you're asking for trouble. Look, I could send a car by every couple of hours, but I can't babysit for you. Claire, that wheelchair doesn't mean anything, and it can't stop bullets.
Claire, this thing you're doing, it scares me.
Well, Vera, go home. Come back after the funeral.
Missy, we've worked here for your father and now for you for 30 years.
Cesar, go home with Elvira. It's okay. I'll see you tomorrow.
I'm sorry. Hi.
Hi.
That's it.
You didn't like this guy Santana much, huh? Sorry, I overheard you talking over there.
I liked him. I liked him very much. It's $4.85.
Sure. That's fine. Thank you.
Step up on the scale, Max. Come on, get on. There you go. Ooh, Max. Dr. Cooperman is gonna be mad at us. We've got to walk off 2 pounds before your checkup tomorrow. Come on, Mr. Shame, let's go. Here we go. Ah, well, look who's here. How's your toothache?
Oh, it's better, thanks. This guy Juanito Santana, the ex-fighter. He used to work with gang kids. He'd hang up a white sheet in the park. He'd run old movies on it at midnight. Instead of killing each other, these kids would come by and watch Casablanca.
Sounds like a hell of a good man.
He was. Killed in a drive-by about 2 days ago.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Rosaries tonight, funerals tomorrow.
Come on.
This gang, they made businesses in the area shut down to pay their respect. Everybody shut down except this one woman.
I admire her courage, question her sense, all things considered. What did she have against this Santana?
Nothing. She liked him. Liked him a lot.
Strange. You, want to go for a walk with me, Max?
No. You coming?
No. We're going to take the stairs. Need the exercise. Where are you off to?
I'm going to do some shopping. I'll see you in the morning.
All right. Good night. Well, come on, chubby. Let's go. Here we go. Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
I was here earlier today. I bought some aspirin.
Yeah, I remember. Is something wrong?
No, it's good aspirin. I've got some things here I need to pick up real quick, but I was wondering, are you closed now?
No, is there anything I can do to help?
No, I'm fine. I'll just get stuff I need real quick. Thanks.
Okay.
Hey, almost closing time.
No, it's not, Tito. I stay open till 9. I told you that.
Hey, you close at 6. And at 6, we'll be back to make sure.
Well, I'll be here at 6, Mickey, and I'll be open. What are you guys gonna do? You gonna burn me out? Or hit me with a baseball bat? Shoot me?
Whatever it takes.
Get out of my face.
Lady's trying to run a business. Why don't you leave?
Are you looking for trouble?
Me? No, I'm looking for toothpaste and Shaving cream.
He's a funny man. I think he's a funny man, don't you? Now, who the hell do you think you are?
I'm a cop. Take a hit.
Hey, come on, man. Let's go. Hey, we'll be back at closing time.
Where's your toothpaste?
It's over there.
That's it.
Okay. Let's see. 3 tubes of toothpaste. 2 cans of shaving cream. Look, you don't have to stay. Dental floss.
Toothpaste was buy 2, get 1 free, so.
I won't ask you to stay, but I'm not gonna ask you to go.
The batteries didn't have a price on them, so. You scared?
The $3. Yeah, I'm scared. Look, do you remember how much this flashlight was?
No, I'll check real quick. You usually close at 9 o'clock. They're just asking for 6, that's all. It's $4.99. It's only 3 hours.
Thanks.
What's 3 hours?
I live in the back. If anyone needs anything, medicine, anything, any time of the night, all they have to do is ring the bell and I take care of them. That's the way my father ran the store. That's the way I run the store.
Look, these guys out there, they just want you to honor a man they respected, that's all. You told me you like Santana, and why don't you honor him?
Because he wouldn't have wanted me to give in to these boys. That's how I honor him. If you can't understand that, I don't care.
Hey, no charge! No charge!
Never seen my tires, have you? Huh? Hey, man, these dudes came by, man, a whole bunch of them, and they ripped them off. We tried to stop them, right? What? We tried to stop them, but, they got away.
How about you? Is that right?
Yeah, man. Hey, we're witnesses, man. Hey, listen, why don't you get one of those guys that do the faces, you know, pictures, and we'll just grab the bad boys for you, man. Hey, man, we're good citizens, man.
What are you doing?
Trying to get this damn tire out of here.
Just let me do it. I don't want you to do
Pamper
that.
me because I'm in this chair.
I'm not pampering you.
Hey, well then get out of my way.
It's my tire. It's the only one they left. Let go of the tire. Let go. Let go. I just bought these tires. Had a 40,000-mile guarantee. This is good. Feel a draft?
Want to help?
Well, I wouldn't want to pamper you.
All right, all right.
Edgar's used tires. Good.
Hilda, the fortune teller?
Yeah. It's gonna be a long night. Couldn't hurt. Hope I'm not interrupting you.
No, I'm finished. I just want to make sure God knows how good Juanito was. Come on in.
Nice place.
Thanks.
You've been living here a long time?
Ever since I was a kid. It's my home. It's a spare. You know, everybody has an extra pair of shoes just in case one wears out. Go ahead. Try it.
Oh, no, I don't want to do that.
Come on. It's okay. Everybody wonders. Go on.
Well, I feel kind of...
Come on. Come on. You know, push down on the black side, right? And just put the pad on the seat. There you go. I'll be doing wheelies in 20 minutes.
Huh? It's not that easy, is it? Huh?
It's okay. She's a friend.
Come on in.
You must be the cop. Whole neighborhood's talking.
Why did you ring the bell? You know I stay open till 9.
I didn't want to get my head shot off.
Well, he's not gonna shoot you.
Him? I'm worried about you. It's like a ghost town out there, and everybody's pointing the finger saying you're the reason.
Do you think I am?
Claire, I have fast talked and fast walked with you since the 1st grade. I'm sure of it. Half Irish. That's the cause of it all.
What can I do for you, Vanetta?
Oh, my Tanya. She's got an earache again.
Okay.
Listen, George is over at the house talking football with my man, and, well, he's asking about you again.
Don't do this, Vanetta. You know how I feel.
Yeah, you told me till I'm ragged hearing about it. You know, 3 years. 3 years she has not been out with a man. She hasn't been with a man. You know what I mean, been.
Vanetta.
I'm just asking his opinion. So what do you think? 3 years of being celibate?
I wouldn't think of it.
Of course not. Ugh, makes my teeth itch to think of it.
Goodbye.
Okay, I'm going. I don't know why you're doing what you're doing, but I never have. Listen, Tito, Mickey, and all them other little mini macho men, they think they gotta do something to save they pimply little faces. They're up against a wall.
Don't worry. I'll be okay. Don't forget to warm this up before you give it to Tanya, okay?
You take good care of my girl, Mr. Cop.
You have a key, I'll lock it up.
Keep it open until 9, please. So, what do you think about Vanetta?
I think she gets to the point. 3 years, huh?
Yes, 3 years. Why? Are you curious? Can I? Can't I?
Oh, I didn't mean it that way. It's none of my business. I shouldn't say anything. I'm sorry.
No, it's my business. And yes, I can. I just haven't wanted to. I can't believe I'm sitting here discussing my sex life with a perfect stranger. You are, you know. I don't even know your name.
My name's Jake Stiles.
It's nice to know you, Jake Stiles.
And what's your name?
Claire O'Malley Hernandez.
Mind if I call you Claire?
No.
Hey, you know what? All I got is a couple broken windows right now. I can deal with that. You want to take this crap further, you got a problem.
Hey, Choo-Choo, try and explain to me cops.
What do you mean, Griggs?
Talk, 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 talk. Always telling you what you should be, what you should do. All the time looking at you like you're some stinking dog with no brains. All the time thinking that a badge and a gun makes them tough. Tough? Took 3 cops to take me down, lock me up. Cops. So are you a tough cop?
Take a good look up at the sky. Go ahead. You sure this was the night you want to die?
That's right. Right up to your wrist. Hey. Oh, yeah. Huh?
You have anything to board this up with?
Not that big.
Just have to deal with it, that's all.
Thanks.
8 o'clock. Time for Juanito's rosary. We'll be back.
Yeah, after the rosary, they'll drink themselves stupid at the wake. They'll try and prove who's got the biggest muscle. But at least it'll be quiet around here for a while.
You hungry?
Yeah, I'm starved. I'm gonna go clean up.
What do you have to eat? Hey, Claire?
What?
What do you want to drink with dinner?
What do you recommend?
Well, we have a dry grapefruit juice or a club soda mixer.
I think I'll take the club soda mixer.
How do you want your torpedo sandwich prepared?
What's the expiration date?
Yesterday.
Better make it well done.
You look awfully pretty.
Thanks. Why don't you pull yourself up a chair?
This is awfully nice. I usually eat alone.
Yeah? Yeah, me too.
No ring.
Huh?
No wife, no girlfriend.
Well, no one special.
Too busy or bad luck?
Yeah, a little of both, I guess.
So, you feeling more comfortable in that chair?
Oh, yeah. I'm getting better.
Want a race?
Oh, it's up to you.
Think you could beat me?
Maybe.
Good job.
I'm new at this. How did it happen?
What? The chair?
Yeah. If I'm getting too personal, just tell me.
Personal. You know the last time I had sex. It was a car accident. I was with my folks. A drunk driver ran a red light. My parents died instantly, and I ended up in this. Drunk driver walked away without a scratch.
I'm sorry.
But you know, I learned a long time ago that sorry's just another weight to carry around in this chair.
I like you, Claire.
I like you too, Jake. So how long do you think a person could go without sex before they explode?
I don't know.
Thank you for the lovely dinner.
Sure.
I'll throw away the dishes later. You know what I miss most about being with a man? The touching. Would you help me keep a promise? Tonight was supposed to be a block party, and
promised Juanito I would be there. And I promised him I would dance.
No.
Just pick me up. I'll let you lead. Jake, stop. It's Choo-Choo. It's okay.
I came to warn her.
About what?
It's Griggs. He's been drinking tequila since the wake. Firing up everybody. They're gonna burn you out. Why don't you just close? Why don't you just do what we said?
You know why. Juanito taught you why.
Juanito's gone! All that's left of him is some nice words at a rosary. Left the tequila at a wake. And a pine box tomorrow. Those 16 downtown vatos, man. They were aiming at me. Why, man? Why?
Juanito Santana was running a relay race. He ran with the baton as long as he could. And then he gave it to you.
He split on me. Left me nothing.
Why did you come here to warn her?
You should have just closed.
Hey. Did I doze off?
Just for a few minutes. Jake.
Yeah. Seven o'clock. Time to open.
Yep.
be right back.
Where are you going?
Whoa, look at the tough cop. Scares me. Get the hell out of here. I don't play with no pissant who hides behind a badge and a gun.
What are you gonna do?
Communicate. No badge, no gun. If you lose what you're carrying, we'll talk, pissant.
What's the problem with Griggs? He slipped. You okay? I'm fine.
Are you ready?
Don't pamper me now, Jake.
Became a fighter without equal. He is for us today. Cálmase. Todos quietos, por favor.
As soon as you're feeling better, I promise we'll take you on that boat ride, okay? That's a good boy.
Help me! My God, help me!
Gerald! What happened?
Stop me! They stabbed me!
Where's Alicia?
I tried to get to her. There was nothing I could do. They jumped me. They jumped me and stabbed me. I couldn't save her. Oh, God.
What are you saying? Where's my daughter?
They killed her. God help me. She's dead.
No, that can't be true. Alicia!
My kids, I gotta stay. No, let me go. Let me go. I want to stay with my kids. I have to get you to the hospital. Please, no. No. Please, let me stay.
Okay, thank you, gentlemen. Hi, Jake.
What the hell happened in here, George?
We got an Alicia Donnelly. Multiple stab wounds. Husband, Gerald. Stab wounds, contusions, lacerations to the forehead. He made it, she didn't. The murder weapon was a carving knife, probably from that drawer.
Calling card?
He said it was a gang. After they killed her, one of them stuck his finger in her blood and started painting.
Did he say how many there were?
Yeah, 3.
What was this guy doing while these guys were killing his wife?
He was pretty incoherent, Jake. It's not easy to piece together.
Did the kids see any of this?
No. No, thank God. A mother, a father, a couple of nice grandparents, a beautiful home. And now look.
Gang graffiti's like a signature. I want to know which one it was by the end of the day, George.
You got it, Jake.
Hi there.
My name is Jake Stiles. I'm with the PA's office. Can you tell me where Gerald Donnelly's room is, please?
Room 203.
203. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Excuse me, Mr. Stiles. I'm Dr. Carrie Donovan. I spoke to Mr. McCabe earlier. He said you'd be here at the hospital.
Yeah, what can I do for you, Doctor?
Do you have any leads about who killed Alicia Donnelly?
Well, we're working on that right now. Did you know her?
Yeah. I was her doctor. I delivered her little girl.
Oh, I see.
We were great friends. I can't believe all this has happened.
When you saw her last, did she seem to be worried or upset about anything?
No.
How about the marriage? Did that seem to be okay?
Well, they had their ups and downs.
Yeah.
I'm just glad the kids have Alicia's parents to look out after them. If you have any information, if you could call me, I'd be glad to help in any way I can.
Thank you. That's very nice. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you understand these rights as I read them to you?
Yes, but why are you reading me my rights? I thought I was supposed to be the victim.
Before we can question you, we have to advise you of your rights.
Mr. Donnelly, my name is Jake Stiles. I'm with the PA's office. Sorry to hear about your wife.
I know this is difficult, but can you try to tell us exactly what happened?
We're in the kitchen, talking about our trip.
What trip was that?
Jamaican cruise.
She was so excited, so happy. We were making plans. Then all of a sudden, they were just there. With their red bandanas and their filthy mouths.
How did they get in?
Back door must have been open. They said they wanted money. I gave them everything I had. And one of them grabbed Alicia. I went for him, but the other guy took a knife out of the drawer and he started stabbing me. I tried to fight, but the third guy grabbed me around the neck.
Your wife suffered a very brutal attack. And you seem to have gotten away with just some superficial cuts. I was noticing your hands. You don't even have any defense wounds on your hands.
Well, she wasn't moving. They were holding her down. I was fighting and struggling all the time.
So they held her down, they held you back, right? How many did you say there were?
3, I told you, 3. After they left, I tried to pull the knife out.
Forensics checked that knife. Your fingerprints were all over it.
Well, I told you that. I said I touched it.
I know, but your prints were not only in the pull-out position, which would be upward, they were in the attack of the downward position as well.
We had the graffiti on your wall checked out by an expert. It doesn't belong to any gang that we know of here on the island.
Doesn't make much sense, does it?
What are you talking about? I've told you everything.
I don't think there ever was a gang. I think you killed your wife.
Me? How can you even... I loved her!
There hasn't been one thing that's checked out about your story at all.
I am telling you the truth!
No, you're not. All you've done is tell us one lie after another.
I want to see my lawyer.
Jason McCabe. I knew I'd run into you again someday.
Vincent?
I look forward to climbing into the ring with you again. It's not often I get to match wits with such a worthy opponent.
And I never believed that a court of law was a sport played in a ring.
Oh, well, it is. It is, my friend. It's a gladiator sport with very high stakes, where the rules change every day and the best offense wins.
Oh, I understand how you justify your courtroom shenanigans. What I don't understand is how you justify betraying your friends.
I'll see you in court.
Yes, you will.
Close personal friend?
He used to be. I guess we're all lucky he decided to become an attorney.
Why's that?
If he weren't, he'd be a sociopath. He has no conscience. And that, my friends, makes a man dangerous. Let's go.
State of Hawaii versus Gerald Donnelly.
Let the record show that the state is represented by prosecuting attorney Jason McCabe, and the defendant is present with his attorney Vincent Novak. Will you waive the reading of the complaint?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. Mr. Donnelly, you are charged with murder in the second degree, and how do you plead?
Your Honor, my client pleads not guilty by reason of insanity.
Insanity?
Very well, so entered. Mr. Novak, because of...
Oh, it's one of his favorite defenses. And Derek, I promise you, by the time Novak finishes weaving his spell, you'll start to believe him. And so will the jury.
Well, I'll be talking to the rest of the Donnelly's neighbors. You've been a tremendous help, Mr. Nelson.
Well, thank you. I assume you'll be wanting me to testify.
Definitely. As soon as the trial date is set, I'll call you. I know that I speak for my client when I say that we appreciate what you're doing. Not only for Gerald, but for those poor children. I'm happy to be of help. Excuse me. I'm Vincent Novak, Gerald's attorney. I wonder if I could speak with you for a moment.
Delia Rutherford.
How do you do?
Mr. Novak, I've known that man for years. It's hard to believe that he's some crazed murderer.
Well, what you must know is that whatever Gerald did, he was not responsible. For a split second, he literally lost all control. I'm here to help him. And those unfortunate children. You know them, don't you?
Of course. My husband and I, we haven't been able to have children. I guess we kind of adopted theirs.
They've suffered so much. We can't bring their mother back, but we can do something for their father. They need you, Delia. Those little children need your help.
Tell me what I can do. Please, come in.
The whole thing was pretty gruesome, you know.
This guy must have gone nuts.
Yeah, well, after a couple perfect marriages, and then he goes and stabs you to death.
Could have been drugs.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Go check the den that's at the end of the hallway, okay? I'll look in here.
What the hell are you doing here?
I might ask you gentlemen the same question. What business do you have here?
Can I help you?
Why are you in my client's home, Mr. Stiles?
Hey, pal, maybe you want me to show you the door, huh?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah. Mr. Novak, you better put a leash on this guy. He can be thrown in jail for threatening a peace officer, and you know it.
This is a warrant. Can you read? You want me to read it for you?
No, that won't be necessary. I think, under the circumstances, perhaps it would be best if we left.
Good idea. All right, let's start looking.
I don't even know what I'm looking for, Jake.
I don't either, but when we find it, we'll know, okay? Just start looking.
You mind if I join you?
Yes, I do. I come here because it's quiet and no one bothers me.
Well, then I'll just sit for a minute.
What the hell do you want?
Still about Paul, isn't it? You've never forgiven me. It's been 10 years, Jason.
The passage of time does not heal all wounds or eradicate the past.
So you're still my judge and jury, and I still don't get a trial.
If I put you on trial, how would you plead, counselor? Not guilty by reason of insanity? There are rules you follow in life, Vincent. One of them is you don't defend your best friend's murderer for the sake of your damned career.
Who the hell are you to tell me what rules I should live by? You know what your problem is, Jason? You're pompous and judgmental, and you always were.
Then don't come to me to look for absolution. What you did was unconscionable.
Don't flatter yourself. The reason that I'm here is to tell you that despite the ridiculously high bail you managed to set for my client, he's raised the money.
Well, that is a surprise, isn't it? I thought your enormous legal fees were putting him in the poorhouse.
Well, fortunately, he has friends. Lots of friends with lots of money. And just for the record, Jason, about Paul, you can take that adolescent grudge to the grave with you. I hope you choke on it. Enjoy your meal.
doctor, Jake. Around people that die all the time, I should be able to handle this.
Well, it's not easy when it's your friend, you know?
What I think about most is how terrified she must have been. How could he do something like that? Why would he?
Well, something snapped and made him stab his wife with a carving knife. I don't know.
I keep racking my brain, trying to figure out if she said something at lunch or not.
Let her rest for a while. Something will come, huh? Yes, Jake.
Our friend Donnelly has managed to make bail.
You're kidding me. You can go crazy, kill your wife, promise not to do it again, and buy your way out? It's a great system we have.
I didn't call to debate the law with you.
Yeah, you know.
He's staying on a boat called the Skyhawk at the Alawai Yacht Harbor.
Yeah, all right, got it. Alawai Yacht Harbor. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Donnelly made bail. I gotta get over there and check it out right away.
What's stopping you?
You, I gotta take you home.
No, the Alawai's not far. You just have to go see where he is, do your cop stuff, and then take me out to dinner.
All right. All right, this is for you. And this one's for me.
I don't know, Jake. Somehow this just doesn't qualify as dinner.
Well, let's call it an hors d'oeuvre, all right? Here comes Novak.
Who's the big guy?
It's Novak's bodyguard.
Since when does a lawyer need a bodyguard?
An ordinary lawyer. There's Donnelly. Look, I'm gonna take you home, okay? Drop you off.
No, you don't have time. We've got to go. That's his house, isn't it?
You got it.
Why doesn't he turn a light on?
He doesn't want anyone to know that he's here. I'm gonna check it out. You stay right here, okay? Stay put.
Like a prowler. What can I say? Pay me to keep people away from here. That's all I was doing. That's it.
Oh, anyway, there he was, creeping around his house with a flashlight. I don't know what he was looking for, but he was looking for something.
I have enough of a case to try it. But if there's evidence we don't know about, I sure would like to know what it is.
Listen, if Donnelly's been sneaking around searching for it, don't you think he'll probably try it again?
Yeah, when he heard me fighting with that monster, he got spooked and he ran, so I think there's a pretty good chance he didn't find what he was looking for. I had HPD put a 24-hour tail on it.
I'll order another full investigation of the house and see what we come up with. One way or the other, we'll put that butcher behind bars where he belongs.
Yes, sir. The knives were kept in a drawer that was locked with a child safety mechanism.
Asking the court's indulgence, Your Honor, and with Sergeant Rafferty's kind assistance, I would like to present a demonstration to the jury.
Objection. What's this, a magic show? Permission to approach the bench, Your Honor?
Granted.
I fail to see the relevance.
Your Honor, this witness has established that the drawer in which the knives were kept was locked with a child safety device. The defendant, who was supposedly in a highly agitated, disassociated state of mind, had to open the device in order to get the knife with which he stabbed his wife.
This doesn't prove a thing. I renew my objection.
Lay your foundation, Mr. McCabe.
Premeditation, Your Honor. If this defendant had time to fumble with a child safety lock, he also had time to consider what he was doing and to stop himself.
I'll allow it. I'm going to allow Mr. McCabe's presentation in that it goes to the issue of premeditation.
Object again for the record.
So noted. Please proceed, Mr. McCabe.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sergeant Rafferty.
Sir.
Are you familiar with child safety locks?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever opened one before?
Sure. I have a 5-year-old daughter.
All right, Sergeant, please step down here, will you?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give you 5 seconds to go to that drawer and to open it. You ready? Go. Stop. Thank you, Sergeant Rafferty. I think I've made my point, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, we have shown that even with experience, it isn't easy to open up one of those things. A person has to take his time and give deliberate thought.
Gentlemen, we are out of time for this day. Court will recess and reconvene tomorrow morning at 10.
I've been Gerald Donnelly's business manager for 5 years, and the way that woman went through money was frightening.
Did you ever talk with Mr. Donnelly about his wife's excessive spending?
Sure. But he said he couldn't stop her. He said he'd rather bust his butt trying to keep up rather than face another one of her rages.
Sometimes I could hear her over there just screaming like some crazy woman. Dishes breaking, kids crying.
And what would he do when you would hear her, in your words, screaming like a crazy woman?
I don't know. I never heard him. Just her.
We invited them to a party. She was drinking quite a bit. Well, more than that. To tell you the truth, she was loaded. Anyway, the more she drank, the louder she got, until finally she threw a drink in his face.
And what did he do?
He just stood there. We were all shocked. It's embarrassing, you know?
Thank you, Mr. Nelson. Your witness.
I have no questions.
Very well,
Why aren't you cross-examining any of these people?
What do you want me to do, Derek? Call all those nice, respectable people liars? Haven't you learned anything about alienation of juries?
Down at jail, he's making it seem as if Alicia Donnelly's responsible for her own death.
Well, you're finally catching on, aren't you? This isn't Gerald Donnelly's trial anymore. It's hers.
This court is now in recess.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jake. We followed Donnelly to his house again and searched him when he came out.
What'd you find, George?
Wallet, car keys, and pin money. Nothing from the house.
Damn. He's looking for something in that house. We gotta find it before he does. The defense is bringing in some heavy artillery, George, so you stay on him, hear me?
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, all right.
And during my 25 years as a psychiatrist, I have conducted, literally, hundreds of forensic examinations all over the world.
In the interest of time, Your Honor, the state is willing to acknowledge to this witness's credentials.
Thank you. Dr. Patton, what can you tell us about Alicia Marie Donnelly?
What I'm about to tell you came from hours of interviews. I spoke with friends, neighbors, and relatives of the Donnellys, and I spent a total of 12 hours speaking with the defendant. Now, based on all of this information, I was able to ascertain that Alicia Donnelly was a cold, materialistic woman. She...
Objection! Relevancy. What Mrs. Donnelly was or was not is not the issue here.
It goes directly to the cause of my client's mental state.
Overruled. You may answer, Dr. Patton.
This was a woman who believed that a man's sole function in life was to provide. Now, I'm sure this is a concept that every man comes up against at one time or another. But Alicia Donnelly took it to extremes. She was a user, a taker, a woman who demeaned and denigrated everything male. She badgered her husband non-stop.
What do you mean by badger, Dr. Patton?
She badgered her husband by nagging, crying, screaming, throwing violent tantrums both in private and in public. She would even withhold sex if she didn't get what she wanted.
And what was it that she wanted?
You name it, new cars, new clothes, European vacations, a house for her parents. She thought Christmas was 365 days a year, and the guy in the red suit was her husband.
Dr. Patton, what was the effect of the constant pressure on this poor man?
Objection!
Sustained. You will refrain from categorizing your client, Mr. Novak.
Of course, Your Honor. What was the effect of the constant pressure on Mr. Donnelly?
Well, you could liken it to the San Andreas fault. The pressure on the fault builds and builds, and then suddenly it fractures, and boom, earthquake.
Your Honor, I object to this whole line of testimony. At best, it's highly speculative. At worst, it's preposterous.
Mr. McCabe, you yourself have stated that this witness is an expert in his field. Now, he certainly has a right to express his professional opinion. I'm going to allow the man to testify in his own way. Now, please proceed.
Dr. Patton, what was the ultimate result of Alicia Donnelly's constant harassment of Gerald?
Object to the use of Mr. Donnelly's first name, Your Honor.
Sustained. Mr. Novak, you know better. Refer to your client as Mr. Donnelly.
Forgive me, Your Honor. Would you like me to repeat the question?
The ultimate result of Mrs. Donnelly's haranguing? Well, you remember the San Andreas fault. Mr. Donnelly experienced an emotional earthquake of catastrophic proportions. He literally came apart. He lost all sense of reason, all knowledge of right and wrong, and in my opinion cannot be legally responsible for anything that he did.
Mr. McCabe,
Well,
I can't believe what I'm hearing in there. I knew Alicia Donnelly. She was nothing like that.
it must be difficult for you to listen to this.
I don't know how that doctor can assassinate her based on information he got from a man who's admitted to killing her. Isn't that hearsay?
It is, but the law permits him to base his expert opinion on it. What you're learning here today, Carrie, is that what comes out of a courtroom isn't always the purest form of justice.
Call your next witness, Mr. Novak.
The defense calls Gerald Donnelly.
I loved her. Maybe too much. I just wanted her to love me back. But there was no pleasing her. Nothing I did, nothing was ever enough. We were fighting all the time. She'd throw things at me,
Anything she could lay her hands on. She'd scratch me.
You mean to say your wife physically attacked you?
Yes. I could feel the pressure building and building it. Getting tighter and tighter inside my head. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't eat. Started losing weight. Couldn't concentrate at work. I'd have these nightmares. Really awful. Horrible dreams. And then I just couldn't take it anymore.
Tell us what happened, Gerald.
Your Honor.
Mr. Novak, I've warned you.
Tell us what happened.
We were fighting again. About money. She was shrieking at me and shrieking and shouting and cursing, and I just felt something hot. Red hot. Just explode inside me. I don't know how to describe it.
You're doing fine.
The next thing I knew, I was standing over her, and she was dead. God forgive me, I didn't mean to kill her. I never wanted that. I just wanted her to shut up.
Would you like to take a moment, Mr. Donnelly?
You're buying it, aren't you? Just like the jury.
I don't know, Mr. McCabe. Maybe it could happen like that. Maybe the guy just snapped.
I'm thinking if I put myself in Donnelly's shoes, maybe something will pop, you know what I mean?
I got the medical report, a diagram pinpointing the wounds.
All right, let's start with this now. Now tell me where the wife was stabbed.
Okay, penetrating laceration to the upper right chest and to the supraclavicular fossa.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, the next one was
next.
a stab wound to the right anterior chest, penetrating the fourth intercostal space.
Where is that?
Here.
All right, that's here.
Right.
Okay, now what?
She must have managed to turn away.
Yeah.
Penetrating laceration to the posterior chest with knife still in place. It was 15 inches deep. It was a big knife.
All right, posterior, that's back, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Fall.
Fall?
Down.
Where?
On the floor.
Why?
You're dead. Fall down.
Okay.
You're dead, right?
Right.
Okay, now, I have to make it look like I was stabbed too, right? Okay, but I need the knife to do that, right? Let me see that. Okay. Yeah, the knife is stuck. Okay. The knife is stuck. Okay. I hear a car, right? Knife is stuck. I gotta stab myself. I have to get another knife. So where do I go to do that? What do I do?
I can't tell you. I'm dead.
I go to the knife drawer, right? Yeah, I go to the knife drawer. I go to the knife drawer. I got a problem with the safety latch, right? But I get through that. Now.
Can I get up now?
Yeah. What does it, Donnelly's wound? What were Donnelly's wounds?
Well, let's see. Superficial laceration to the right side of the chest, penetration stopped by the fifth rib.
Fifth rib.
Here.
It's here, okay. All right, next. No.
Superficial laceration to the right abdomen.
Be down here.
Puncture wound 5 centimeters deep, posterior surface of chest. Posterior surface.
That's back.
Yeah.
Where is that?
Right here. Huh.
How could that happen? Look at that. Look at that here. This guy's either got rubber arms or he's a contortionist. All right, let's just say I managed to stab myself in the back, all right? Let's say that. All right, so here, I'm left here with a knife, right? A bloody knife. car is out there. I hear a car door slam. Somebody's walking up the driveway, right? Panic. We get rid of the knife. Wash the knife off, put it back. Put it back in the knife drawer. Makes sense. Wash the knife off.
Okay, well, then what I tried to do is I tried to duplicate the stabbing pattern on Donnelly, okay? And I noticed he had a wound in the middle of his back. You can't stab yourself in the middle of the back. Hell, I can't even scratch myself back there, okay? Now, when I got to the sink, that's when it hit me. Donnelly's hands were covered with blood, right? There was blood everywhere. Blood on the wall. There's blood on the door. Blood on the doorknob. This guy had his handprints all over the place, did he not?
Yes. And was there blood on the sink, the faucets?
Okay. That's what bothered me. I remembered the police reports, okay? I checked those reports. They did not find any blood on the sink. Now, this man was covered with blood. Bloody hands, a bloody knife, and he went to that faucet to wash that knife off. There would be blood on the knobs. I pulled the hot and cold knobs. I took them down to forensics. Forensics could not find a trace of blood inside or out.
But Donnelly never went near the sink. You thinking what I'm thinking?
Damn right I am.
Well, that's great. But we need more. We can't pull a jury out of deliberations on pure speculation.
See, the key to this whole thing is whatever he was looking for in the house, you see?
And he couldn't find it, even after searching the house. Why?
Damn, wait a minute. Maybe it wasn't in the house. Maybe whatever he was looking for was taken out during the initial investigation by HPD. Maybe.
Did you see this digital diary?
Yeah, no, I checked that already. I checked all that, names, addresses, phone numbers. I did all that.
You checked the memo on the calendar?
Yeah, no, I did everything.
I wonder if this thing has a secret file.
What do you mean?
Information you can access only if you have a password.
Well, I don't think Donnelly's going to give us the password, you know?
Maybe we can crack it. Passwords are usually pretty common. People pick things that are easy to remember. Give me some information from the files. You know, like his birthday.
April 19th.
April 19th. No. His kids. Give me his son's name.
Son's name is Daryl, D-A-R-Y-L, no E.
Daughter.
Diane, D-I-A-N-E.
Jake?
Yeah.
You've been called out of deliberation to hear further evidence from the state of Hawaii. Now, this is a highly irregular occurrence, but this evidence could have a bearing on your verdict. Proceed.
For the record, defense renews its objection, Your Honor.
So noted. Call your witness, Mr. McCabe.
Go get him.
The state recalls Delia Rutherford to the stand.
You're still under oath, Ms. Rutherford.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to show you a digital diary with the name Gerald Donnelly engraved on the metal case. We'd like to mark this People's Exhibit number 34 for identification, please. You've seen Mr. Donnelly use this diary, haven't you?
Yes, I guess so.
Does the following entry mean anything to you? Pacific World Airlines, flight number 602, 11 a.m., September 5.
No. Why should it?
Oh, I could think of several reasons why it should. Miss Rutherford, According to this voucher, you purchased tickets for that flight with a credit card bearing your name.
My credit card was stolen. Anyone could have purchased those tickets.
Stolen. Stolen. And this thief not only entered the flight information in Gerald Donnelly's diary, but purchased the tickets using both your names for a date approximately 1 month after Alicia Donnelly was murdered.
Objection. Prosecution is badgering the witness.
Overruled. You were planning to leave town together, weren't you? Now, come on, Miss Rutherford, no more lies. You were having an affair with the defendant, weren't you? You and Gerald Donnelly were lovers.
Yes.
Will you speak up so that the court can hear this?
Yes!
You were the third person in the kitchen with Gerald and Alicia Donnelly that afternoon, were you not? You were the person who stabbed Gerald Donnelly and washed off the knife. The person whose hands were not bloody.
He loved me. And she knew it, but she would not let him go.
So the two of you decided to kill her.
She said she wouldn't let him near the children if he left. That was her hold. She knew how much he loved those kids. We had to kill her. Don't you see? It was the only way we could be together.
Congratulations, Jason. That was quite a performance. Flamboyant, passionate.
I just do my job, Vincent.
You might not like hearing this, Jason, but I see a lot of myself in you.